Let's check out our Central California display. Jaspers, serpentines, and the like. So here's Blue G, the famous blue Lawsonite. I would say it's really not magnetic at all. Another Blue G. So this serpentinite is quite magnetic. I'm surprised at green rocks. I wouldn't expect them to have a lot of iron. Here's another one, and I've shown this in another video earlier. Very magnetic. I can completely let go of the magnet and it stays there. But you wouldn't think that this has iron in it, but I think all that black in there is probably magnetite, because it's very magnetic. Now look at these. So here are some serpentinites, not magnetic at all. Yeah, really not enough to, so that has a little magnetic spot on it. But then there's a serpentinite that grabs a magnet right away. That's really magnetic. So some are and some aren't. Again, this one is not. The Jaspers are not. Yeah, so interesting. Here's a pure serpentinite, or serpentine. It's fibrous serpentine. Okay, and it really very, very lightly, if at all, pulls the magnet. So it's not the serpentine that's magnetic, it's the iron inclusions. There must be magnetite crystals, again, such as in this one. Moving along now to some of our Oregon and California rocks, mostly from Adam at West Coast Rocks. Last week, we just did a rocks in the mail video, in fact, of his rocks. And check this out. I was not expecting this either. So these are the rocks we were talking about that look kind of like flower stones, that have the pyroxene matrix. Well, they're extremely magnetic. I would say this is one of the more magnetic rocks. And here's the basalt flower stone right next to it. That isn't magnetic at all. So interesting. Yeah, I could pull down on that pretty good and it won't